Yvette Garfield with Handstand Kids Cookbook Company. Today we're going to be using our baking cookbook to make devil's food cupcakes with brown sugar and buttercream. This is Victoria. How old are you now?
5.5.
And you love cupcakes, don't you?
Yes.
You love chocolate ones, and that's why we're going to do devil's food, which is sort of the counterpart to angel's food. So we're going to start with our ingredients. Do you remember what this is?
Flour.
You got it, babe. Let's pour it in there. Perfect. Woo! Okay, so keep mixing that. Give it a little bit of a mix. This is our cocoa powder. It's unsweetened, and I'm going to pour that in. We're going to use a brown sugar, which gives a little more of a richer flavor. Okay, pour that in. Keep mixing. You can use a hand mixer, which makes it easier, but we like to do a little more authentic. We're doing baking at home, so we're going to keep this from scratch and put all our good muscle into it. Using your muscles?
Yes.
Okay. We have a little bit of baking powder we're going to pour in. All right, let me get that in there. And baking soda, make everything rise beautifully. Is that salt?
Yes.
Yeah, it's kind of funny we're putting salt in cupcakes, but just a pinch. Okay. And now we're going to put in our wet ingredients. So we have 2 eggs. You want to help me with the eggs? So let's put the shell inside when you're done. 2 hands. Good. Let's get this. Beautiful. No shell inside. Great. 1 more. Give it a crack. Do you want to go ahead and pour the milk in?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay, give that a mix. Get that all blended together. So we're right now mixing our wet and our dry ingredients. So we get a nice batter. And the last thing we're going to add in is our, what is this?
Butter.
So just about a half a stick. We're going to put that in, and we're going to use
I think you have to melt it.
Yeah, it's going to melt in there as soon as you start mixing it. We're going to put the oven at 325, and this will make about 12 to 15 cupcakes. What's your favorite thing to eat, Victoria?
Frosting.
And that's what we're going to make. So we have some whipping cream. You want to pour that in our bowl there? One-handed. Okay, professional. Now we have some dark cocoa powder. You want to pour that in?
Yes.
You want to smell it first? Smell like chocolate a little bit? Last, we're going to do a little bit of butter. You want to go ahead and pour that in? There, we'll do that together. Nice. So, is that the frosting? Are we done?
No.
What do we have to do to it?
Mix it.
You got it. So we are going to mix that up. Just use a hand immersion blender, and it's going to come together really fast. And the heavy cream is going to make it get super thick. All right. So Victoria just helped me finish these amazing devil's food cupcakes with buttercream. What do you think? What should we do with them now?
Eat them.
How'd we do?
Good.
Thanks for joining us today. This is Yvette with Handstand Kids and Victoria, who is enjoying our devil's food cupcakes with the brown sugar and buttercream. Thank you, Victoria.